Mountain Shrine. We need to see how many items we can get. Where's TP? Ridiculous, dude. Actually fucking ridiculous. Oh, I got clipped to the ground.
Just clipped to the ground, bro. Jeez. Oh, shit, bro.
Yo, this is S plus tier. This is legitimately S plus.
Yes, this is S plus. This is probably our best run ever.
This is ridiculous.
Mayflower is a thing broken.
I'm still gaining money, by the way.
Yeah, I think we might have unlocked the Halcyon Shrine.
Okay, so who the fuck did it?
No, sometimes it just glitches out on its own. I think we might have to take a long-standing solitude. I don't know.
No, we do.
What? Did it stop?
We're losing money, but at a ridiculously slow rate.
I mean, are we seriously gonna have to go 1 million per second? This genuinely might take 1,000 seconds. No, I'm still gaining money. Why?
You want to relaunch?
Nah. I'm just gonna keep running around so I don't gain money. Do we like Halcyon?
Honestly,
I think we might have to. Does that drain the money faster?
yeah, it drains money.
Okay, let's just hope it's not like amalgamators or something.
I mean, it's not amalgamators.
It's not amalgamators.
No, wait, go. Oh, my money's in the negatives.
That's not good at all. That's not good.
I took box of dynamite. It's not quality. It's not quality. Go through gold.
Now we have 2 portals sucking up our money, and yes. That was very scary, guys. You would have had to go to sleep.
We're not sleeping, bro.
There's literally
You know, I was planning on playing Jabberwock Jagger after this, but no.
Are we? No way.
What?
Right? No way.
Where are the enemies?
Pray to God.
We have on-hit effects, right? Yeah.
Yeah, it's Gore's Tomb time. I we didn't have Gorse, we would have been soft locked. Oh, what's the last one?
Just leave. I got a house.
Yeah, this is fucking retarded, bro. Okay, where's... Actually, let's try and find Nuke first. So we're gonna need long standing. Okay, I found Nuke. Go TP immediately.
Then we can spam TP. I got clipped to the ground.
What even was the enemy?
It was a beetle.
Not like it matters. Did I hit it? No. Okay. Cool.
Let's see how many levels the enemies jump.
Still pretty low.
5k. Okay, get a long standing for everyone.
Quality Pauldron is good? What does it do? It's raw damage, okay. Lock in.
I think that's a long standing.
Nah, look for
That's
the...
long standing. Oh no,
Oops.
that's light one.
Okay, yeah, so I'm not hallucinating from a lack of sleep. Good. There we go.
Is that it?
Yes,
Okay.
that's it. Yeah, we need 2 more.
There it is.
There we go.
Okay, that one. Even if we get CP, like, doesn't matter.
Yeah, I don't even want CP anymore, bro. I just need damage.
You're
CP
recording this run, right?
Yeah, of course.
It flagged you on Discord.
I'm literally too broke to even go anymore. I need to edit my file when I come back. Yeah, we need another nuke. So, yeah, only it'll take like 2 seconds. Oh no, there's a void seed.
What even happened?
Oh, it's a blissful sound, bro. What the fuck was that?
Where even is TP? I can't find it.
Are we banned from TP? Where is it? Okay, I found it.
Fuck was it? Oh my god, it's over there. Oh, blissful.
Okay. $43K. There we go.
There it is. Just leave. We don't need to go here anymore.
Oh, good lag. Or CP. Good TP. No, no way, no way, not like this.
Oh, it's fine.
Bro, if I crash, that's a permanent soft lock. That's a permanent soft
I think we
lock.
might have crashed.
I don't hear any proc chains.
my game. I'm able to run it, but everything's frozen.
There's no proc chain sound. The music is HD, which is scary. How do we even avoid this crash?
I don't think we can. I don't think we can avoid this crash, bro.
Okay, let me trim a clip while I wait. Bro, if I crash, that's a permanent soft lock. Okay, actually, you know what? Let me save this video.